Hey, I'm Karen with InStyle. I am hopeless with contouring. I cannot do it. Luckily, we have Anna Marie with us today to help me step up my game.
I know that could look sometimes a little bit messy when you over contour, and we have seen that.
It can be a little scary.
Yes. Obviously, what you want to achieve, you still want to look pretty, but be able to have that contour without looking like too stripy or looking like it's like the wrong color.
Right.
Okay, so the one thing is you just want to always pick any type of color that has a bit more of an ashy tone to it. Okay, so it's going to be a little bit more cooler.
I always have a bit of an issue with making sure that the bronzer is even on both sides.
Okay.
Is there a trick that I can use to sort of make it look more symmetrical?
Yes, and that's why I always say find your tragus, because they're always in the perfect alignment of your shape. And you just want to take your brush, and instead of going up and back and forth, take your brush and just swoop down. And that gives you that perfect contour. And then you can also take it and just go a little bit on the sides of your nose and on your jawline and a little bit in your temples. So Karen, to make this contour pot, what you want to do is you just want to do a highlighter, which I love because it's just going to give you this luminous little shine. And then again, we're just going right over the cheekbone, down the bridge of the nose, and on the top a little bit. And that's just going to punch it out more.
It looks amazing.
Anyway,
well, thank you so much, Anna Marie.
Welcome. Awesome.
It looks amazing.
You nailed it. You nailed it.